As of 2023, there are 3,112 billionaires in the world. The billionaire perspective on life is quite different from anything you've ever experienced. And it'll definitely go against many of the things you believe. Here are 2 secrets. You don't usually get to 1 billion. No, number 1, you don't usually get to $1 billion. And still own 100% of your business. Jeff Bezos owns 12.7% of Amazon. Elon Musk owns 133% of Tesla. Bernard Arnault owns 46% of LVMH. Warren Buffett owns 16% of Berkshire. Larry Ellison owns 35% of Oracle. You get the idea. Most millionaires are share protective. They guard their shares like hawks. Without realizing they're actually keeping themselves from accelerating upwards in a shorter period of time. Here's a wake-up call: owning 15% in a multi-billion-dollar pie is a lot more financially lucrative than owning 100% of your $3 million. Real estate will make you a millionaire. Business number 2: real estate will make you a millionaire. Private equity makes you a billionaire. The running joke around the ultra-wealthy is that real estate is the dumb millionaire game. You can become a millionaire in real estate. Even if you don't have the brain power to do anything else, ask any millionaire. And they'll tell you almost half, 35 to 50% of their net worth is tied up in real estate. Ask any billionaire and you'll quickly realize business interests. Private equity make up for over 70% of their net worth. The most productive way to increase your net worth is by owning a business. Blow it up and then use the funds to buy pieces of other businesses and do it all over again. Do not use your own money. Number 3: do not use your own money. Use someone else's to make yourself rich. You can literally earn your way to $1 million. There are plenty of jobs out there where if you put your head down, put in the years, stack those checks, you'll get to 7 figures. Doctors, lawyers, tech engineers, they all earn a ton of money from their salaries. But you cannot get to $1 billion the same way your financial life unlocks vertically. When you realize you can use other people's money to make yourself rich. Here's how most billionaires do it. Step 1. They go to friends, family, banks and angel investors with an idea that they're willing to go all the way to make it happen. They need $100,000 to start the business and give off 20% of the company. This values the company at $500,000. Their 80% share of this new business is worth $400,000, and we barely started. Step 2: they get some revenue and they build a team ready to scale. Let's say the company at this point is making $1 million in recurring revenue per year. Step 3: they then go to some external investors and sell 20% of the business at a $10 million valuation. Meaning they now have $2 million in cash, and the remaining 60% of the company is now worth $6 million. Use that $2 million to go from $1 to $110 million in yearly recurring revenue. Step 5: you guessed it, you go to raise funds. Again, this time at a $100 million valuation. You sell 20% more of the business to get that $2 million. At this point, the 40% you're left with is worth $40. If you're on a mission to escape mediocrity, write the word escape in the comments. That way we know how many of you are interested in taking this seriously.